This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete apps off your iPad. So the easiest way to do this is simply just locate the app on here and then hold down on it. So here's Snapchat, then go to remove app right here, and it will give me the option to remove it from the home screen or delete right here. And then you can delete it permanently off your iPad. Now if you're not able to delete it because of some sort of parental control, the issue is under settings, screen time, content and privacy restrictions. Then we can just turn it off right here, but if we go to iTunes and App Store purchases, there's an option in here called deleting apps. You need to make sure this is allowed. If it's set to don't allow, you're not able to delete apps off your iPad. So even if we go to the app library here, we can just hold down on something, go to options, and then we can go to delete app right there as well. So two different ways we can delete from the library, or we can delete it off the home screen. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.